Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's vegetable Manchurian, I'm sure, is an absolute favorite of everyone. I'm going to show you a semi-dry, semi-wet vegetable Manchurian. It's going to be glossy, spicy and very tasty, and it's very easy. Look at how beautiful this looks. This recipe is very simple. Also, it's 100% vegan. And after watching this video, you might just want to get into your kitchen and start making this amazing, super delicious vegetable Manchurian. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel K Cooks. Hit the subscribe button down below and also the bell icon, because whenever I upload a video, you'll get all my notifications. I also have a Telugu channel where you can watch all these videos in Telugu. That's called K Cooks Telugu. Please subscribe to that as well. And do check out my Instagram, K Cooks Recipes. You'll get some amazing food photos and all the updates regarding my YouTube channels. Now in a large mixing bowl, I'm taking half a bowl of chopped cabbage. Now any vegetable that you're going to take in this recipe, you have to finely chop it. And I'm also taking half a bowl of carrot. Now you can also add in some finely chopped beans as well, but I really don't like beans in the Manchurian, so I'm skipping it. I'm also adding one boiled potato. You can either pop it into the microwave or you can just boil in some water, up to you. And I personally feel that just popping it into the microwave is very easy. You just put it in the potato mode and it's done. Now I'm taking half to 3/4 bowl of maida or flour. And I'm taking 1/4 cup of corn flour. So whenever you take the maida or corn flour, one important tip is do not add excessive maida, because whenever you eat the balls, it should not be as if you're eating dough. So you just have to add enough flour to cover the entire vegetables and bind them together. So into this I'm adding some salt and also some pepper, and I'm giving it a quick mix. Now once you mix the flour together with the vegetables, because there is water content in the cabbage, it's very important that first you mix, see the consistency how it is, and then you add water gradually. And for this you need not require a lot of water, you just need enough water to get it into a dough. Now just make fine small balls, whichever size you want to. And get them all ready on a plate like this. And while you're getting these balls ready, you can keep your oil for deep fry. And once the oil is very hot, turn it to a low flame, and you want to make sure that you're cooking it initially only on a low flame. Once they change color, then you can turn it to medium flame only. If you're afraid of dropping them one by one into the oil, then just place it on a ladder like this and then drop them off into the oil. And most importantly, the moment you drop them into the oil, don't touch them with the ladle because they might lose shape. Only after 2 to 3 minutes, just turn them very gently. And again, another important tip, remove them out of the oil only when they're half done. You can keep them off aside for 5 to 10 minutes. Basically, we're gonna fry these balls again in the oil, and this gives the balls a very nice crispy layer, and also we can make sure that the inside dough is cooked very nicely. Now it's time to make the Manchurian sauce. In a heated pan, I'm taking some oil and I'm adding some chopped garlic. Now here at this point, you can also add in some onions, capsicum, spring onions, your choice. but I like it like this with only garlic. Now I'm also adding some hot and sweet ketchup. If you want, you can just add plain ketchup, but hot and sweet ketchup gives it a nice spicy twist. Also add in some soy sauce and some vinegar. So I'm taking chili vinegar here. If you don't have chili vinegar, you can absolutely add any non-fruit vinegar to this. And to spice it up more, I'm adding Schezwan paste here. It's a ready-made Schezwan paste. It gives a very nice Oriental Asian touch to Manchurian, which we all love. Now on a medium flame, you want to cook all these ketchup, sauces, everything together very nicely. You see, the color of the gravy is almost like the Manchurian gravy. Now, to actually increase the consistency, get the glossiness more into the gravy, we will add some corn flour paste, that is just corn flour and water mixed together. And we will add some water. Now all these sauces, the corn flour paste, they should cook very nicely. And another tip is, if you pre-prep the Manchurian balls, whenever you want to eat it hot, you can just make the gravy then and there, and then you can drop in the ready-made balls into this. And be careful when you're adding salt, because the soy sauce has a lot of salt in it, and also the ketchups that you're adding. So just add a very little amount of salt and pepper. And it's time to add a Manchurian balls into the hot oil again. You can just put the gravy on a low flame, let it be cooking till the Manchurian balls are completely done. Now again, a very important tip, cook these Manchurian balls only on a medium flame, and once they're almost done, or once they get a golden color, then you can slightly turn it to medium high. And that's it. You can directly drop them from the oil into the gravy. Oh my god, look at the color. This looks so interesting and so yummy. If you ever try this recipe, let me know in the comment section below. And also, I've given my Instagram handle. It's also there in the description box. You can send me your pictures. I'll put it up on my Insta stories. And it's going to be so interesting to watch all your recipes, all your recreations. And that's it. It's so simple, so easy, and so tasty. And you can adjust the quantity of the gravy depending on how wet or dry you want the Manchurian to be. This is super interesting. Try this out and you'll love this recipe. See you all in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Stay safe, wear a mask, and keep sanitizing.